It has finally happened. In a 1 week's time, I've been waiting for this. I knew it was coming, and it's a fidget spinner. Oops. Because I have a light gold fidget spinner, if you haven't saw that episode. And there's a brand new fidget spinner being added to the family. Yeah, a gold fidget spinner. So, shiny. Doesn't look shiny on my camera though. So, if you want us to just do Hello Neighbour videos, more of Hello Neighbour, just leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. So let me go and spin this for 1.5 hour, 1 hour. So, peace.